So this is the 6 degree of freedom robot arm, which consists of the parts and along with this camera, which will help in detection of the object. And this is the object. So firstly I'll show the code. First I'll run our code. So as we can see, it is detecting the object. So it has detected our object and now it is moving to the object and trying to pick it up. So it has picked the object and now it is moving to its designated position, which is 0, 22.5, 0. So it has placed it there. So our objective is done. Now I'm explaining the code also for anyone watching this video. So firstly, this was for the pi serial, means for the Arduino. I'm sending the output, means the angles to the Arduino through Python, so I'm using pi serial. And after this was for the Yolov3 model. I have uploaded the code in GitHub. I'm capturing the image here. I'd use Logitech camera, I think. After this, this was means plotting the bounding box. After detecting the clock, I'm plotting the bounding box around this. And I'm also means plotting this position of the object here in the axis of the image. And after this was actually mapping the coordinates, means xc1 and yc1 was the coordinates of the image and xcf and ycf is the actual coordinates on the ground. This is basically a mapping. I had used linear regression for this, but you can always use anything, like we are just mapping it xc1 and xcf. And after this one was the means the calculation, inverse kinematics calculation. What I've done is basically everything is only trigonometry and all, Euclidean geometry. I'm just using the lengths to calculate the angle. And a2, a3 and a4, yeah. And here means I'm using the angles to give the output to the Arduino. I had to convert it into string first for sending the output. And this after giving the values, I have to take some rest, means 1 second and 1 second rest. I had taken is takes the Arduino takes some time for taking the input, so I had given this time dot sleep. This was for only giving the positions, means the angle and all to the robot. And after this there was also the Arduino IDE code. This was just the attachment and all. This I've uploaded in the GitHub. That's all.